Continuing in Inventor by adding lines to represent the wall members. These are going to be timbers inside the wall frame. Dimensions can be added, which are called parametric, and these can be modified later on, which will update the assembly of the timbers as well. Once that's complete, we move on to adding the frame members themselves. This has been adapted to use a custom wood set. So we've got standard sizes of timber in there, which are the correct mass, etc. And these are placed in the correct orientation and added into the frame. Remember, if the frame members or the lines move, the frame will update. Once that's complete, the last thing to do is to add in the joints. These can either be simple butt joints, as in this case, or just to demonstrate here, perhaps a dado joint where that's notched by the cross member here, just to show you an example of that as well. So if that's turned off, you can see the recess.